Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product recommendations to improve your life. Today, we're talking about MJ's Herbals Calendula Salve, and I believe this is one of the best skin repair salves you can find on the market. Calendula has been known for its healing properties for centuries, and MJ's Herbals has taken full advantage of that with their handcrafted salve. If you've been dealing with skin issues like eczema, diaper rash, bug bites, or even scars, this product can offer some much-needed relief. It's made from certified organic calendula blossoms that are infused in a base of organic olive oil and unrefined propolis beeswax. This simple yet effective formula makes sure you're getting the purest, most natural ingredients for your skin. What sets this salve apart is how gentle it is. It's perfect for everyone, from babies to adults, and is especially great for sensitive skin. Whether you're looking to calm irritated skin or soothe dryness, this salve will do the trick without any harsh chemicals or fragrances. MJ's Herbals has taken the time to craft every jar by hand, ensuring the highest quality. The combination of calendula and propolis beeswax provides a soothing experience that helps your skin heal naturally. The olive oil acts as a perfect base, keeping your skin moisturized and protected. Whether you're using it for a rash or just to give your skin some extra care, this salve provides a safe and nourishing solution. So, if you're looking for a reliable, natural remedy for skin discomfort, MJ's Herbals Calendula Salve is definitely worth checking out. It's simple, effective, and perfect for anyone who needs gentle, skin-loving care. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.